many people that are successful today that you are seeing, they have made a lot of sacrifices and they're still making them. And so they didn't arrive where they are by accident, at least for 99.9% of the people. And so if you're already tired because you're working on this dream and you feel like the sacrifices, this is too much, I can't do this anymore, you have to remind yourself, if you want to be like those people, you have to remember that they didn't get where they are by accident. They worked hard at it. Maybe they didn't work as hard as we can think, but at least they have done something. They have worked. They have put in the work. And so you have to put in your mind that you're gonna make some sacrifices for your dream. You cannot just expect to have everything coming your way easily. Don't feel like an entitled, spoiled brat, the expression that I've heard. And so you have to expect work. Somebody said, when you knock on the door of opportunity, it's work who answers. so it was from Brendan Bouchard. And so I really like that quote because you want the opportunity, you want to get somewhere, you want to be successful, you can expect that you're gonna work and you're gonna make some sacrifice. And so that's normal.